Hi there and welcome to this 2-minute tips video, and today it's going to be a bit different. Today this video will be going out on Christmas Day here in the UK, and I just wanted to pause for a second and just wish you all season's greetings, whether you're celebrating Christmas like me or not. I want to send my best wishes. This has been a bit of a journey this year. You know, the next 2-minute tip video, which will go out on New Year's Day here in the UK, will be number 40. Who knew there was so much functionality built into modern mirrorless cameras? Well, there obviously is, because we're still going at number 40, and perhaps it shows how little of the functionality we use when we get fixed in the ways that we're used to using cameras. And that was partly why I embarked on this journey, to really force me and help you guys think about what functionality there is, and perhaps challenge ourselves to look at things differently. And use some of the functionality that's perhaps crept up on us. As I said, we'll be back on New Year's Day with number 40, and it's one of the final parts in our autofocus series. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you for coming on the journey with me. You know, we've been doing these 2-minute tips since March, and it's been quite a journey. I hope it's been useful for you. It's certainly been useful for me to challenge me to think about what functionality there is in modern mirrorless cameras, and in particular the Nikon Z6 and Z7. Thank you for joining me on this journey over 2019, and as always, I look forward to having you on this continued journey as we move into 2020.